Honolulu. On its way to Honolulu from Las Vegas. That's 40,000 feet. We're over here in Fillmore, California, just north of Simi Valley. Not sure about the time. I think it's around 7 p.m. on a Monday night, day after Easter. Hawaiian Airlines from Las Vegas on its way to Honolulu. Beautiful evening on a very beautiful location. That is for certain. Very beautiful location. Los Angeles is 40 miles south of our location. It's hard to believe that a place so desolate and beautiful and remote, rural, if I can say, exists basically on the Los Angeles County line and Ventura County line. It's gorgeous. What a gorgeous view.